Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are interested in achieving this look right here, then make sure that you continue to watch and do not forget to like and subscribe below. Thank you. Good morning, people, and welcome back to my channel. Who's ready for fall? This kid isn't. Like, I'm just not ready for it, but whatever. We're gonna go ahead and use the honey palette. That's what we're gonna use today. We're gonna try to do a fall look with this. You guys know I'm always down for affordable products. This is only 12 bucks and you can use a discount to get more off. But let's go ahead and get started, boo. I'm also going to use the 𝕬𝕒𝕟𝕘𝕑 palette as well. It's like 5:30 in the morning, guys, when I record, so I'm sorry if I'm like tongue twisted and shit. Sorry about that. Okay, but we're also going to use that palette. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, yep. Oh. Shit's falling. It's great. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with the Rise and Grind color, which is that color right there. And we're just going to apply it up in here to that crease. Bam. So I had every intention of just using one palette, but unfortunately it's not working out that way. So we used the 𝕬𝕒𝕟𝕑 palette, that little Rise and Grind color. Now we're going to use a color from the James Charles palette. It's just like this dark brown color. Feel free to use anything that is like a substitute to that. It does not have to be exact. Shit, I used to use different colors back in the day, so whatever. But we're just going to go slightly deeper into the crease with that color. And I'm kind of moving it a little bit lightly because, as you guys can see, it's pretty pigmented and I don't want to take away from the Rise and Grind color, so yeah. Kind of looking up just to make sure that you get it all into your crease. Okay. I'm gonna take like a blending brush and just blend that out. You guys can see it's kind of like softening it up a little bit, and that's what we needed. And you just go over it however many times you want it to the, I don't even know what I was about to say. Anyway, go over it as many times as you would like, girl. Shit, until it's blended to your liking. But this just actually just makes it, you know, just real soft and subtle. Okay, all right, peeps. So I've already done the cut crease. You guys know, if you're interested in seeing me do a cut crease, they're in my other videos. But I'm gonna go ahead and use like a chocolatey color just to blend out the edges of this. We're just gonna put it in those corners and then blend towards the left, to the left, to the left. And that's what we're gonna do. And then I'm gonna try to find another brush right quick because I don't feel like that's getting in there the way I need it to. Yep, that's a lot better. I'm trying to think if I want to make it a little bit darker, which I think I do. So now we're gonna go in with like just a smidget of black. Honey child, boo boo, do not go in with a lot of this. Black is very pigmented, okay? And it will take away from your look if you're not careful. So just like a very, like just a bam, like that's it. You don't need to swirl, nothing, just a light tap. Bam, that's it. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with I was about to say the orange is the new black. Jesus, I am tired. Okay, we're gonna go in back with the 𝕬𝕟𝕚𝕚 palette. This time we're gonna use, jeez, I can't talk today. This time we're gonna use the Sun Kiss color, which is that color right there. So I'm gonna take just a little bit, and we're just, oh, I hate when that happens, my crease. Okay. Take it and just apply it right there. Again, we're blending into the previous color, which is that dark brown, just so you have like a nice transition. I'm not taking this like fully up because we just want like a little peekaboo of this orange color up in that thing. So, but I want it to be like very pigmented, so you guys will see me go over it a couple times. Yep, I think that's cool. Bam, I'll be big. Right, now we're going in with the honey palette. Honey, girl, honey, boo boo, child. Whatever, we're going in with this palette now, and we're gonna use the Sweet Spot, which is this color. I don't know if y'all can see this. No, you still can't see? Okay, that color, bam, that's the color we're using. Okay, so now we're just going to go in right on top, wherever you have blank space from the cut crease, that's where we're going to apply the yellow. Bam! So now I'm gonna go and put my liner and my lashes on, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I've now applied the Creamy Cocoa. This is in the LA Girl Pro Matte. This is at the store for maybe like $6 or $7. It's really amazing. This is the foundation that I've been using here lately. I really want to try the, I think it's the Maybelline Fit Me or some shit like that. I don't know, but I'll go and once I use that, then I'll show you guys about that. But this right here has been my foundation of choice for a while now. I normally do Nutmeg, but I think I've gotten a little bit chocolatey in the summertime, so I've decided to do Creamy Cocoa. Make sure you blend down the neck. You always want to hit this spot in between your forehead. I mean, in between your brows right there. Like, that's a must. Some people don't hit it. And you could tell where you use that concealer, boo-boo. Don't want those problems. Just want to clean it up real good. Real good, really good. Okay, so now we're going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the color Fawn. And I'm just going to apply that under the eye, like this. Oh, I can get it out. Jeez, it's kind of stuck. Okay, and then I always, well not always, but sometimes if I want like a brighter look, then I'll go in with this ColourPop. So I normally start off with like a darker concealer, and then I'll put the lighter one on top just so it gives it like a better blend. And you're not like really bright and you don't have that flashback. I accidentally bought this concealer in like a too light shade for me. But honey child boo boo, I was not about to waste any money dollars. So we made it work, okay? All right, now we're gonna blend it out if I can find my blending. I don't know what the hell happened to all my brushes. Like, I'm missing so many brushes, honey boo boo. Like, what the fuck? Give me a second, let me try to find my brushes and I'll be back. Okay, so to contour, we are using, again, the Black Radiance. I've really fallen in love with this palette. Like, I continue to use it. Like, this is the shit. Like, I've really, truly fallen in love with this. Okay, so I have already done my setting powder on my face, so I've already applied that. Again, that is in, oh, sorry, had a moment, okay. I've already done a video on that in my other videos. Feel free to check those out. But now we're gonna take this black liner and just put it on the bottom lash. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'll just put it down here. Smoke it out. Smoke it, smoke it, smoke it, smoke it. Ew, ew. Okay. So now, if I can find my brush, we're gonna use like a dark brown, and we're gonna smoke this out. So I'll just smokeify, smokeify. Yeah. Smoke out. Bam, you smoked out, boo. Alright, peeps, this is the finished look. I'm going to go and comb my hair, and then I will be back to show you guys. But I think this is pretty fallish. I also have a couple videos coming too for my ladies that do not wear like extra long lashes. If you're interested in like the short shorts, I got a couple of those arriving within like 2 to 3 weeks. So a video will be posted with the short shorts, because these are right now the 25 mm's, which I know that every lady does not like those. But yeah, I'll be back. All right, guys, this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you like and you subscribe for more content. We looking good, boy. We looking good out here. Yo.